Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about a new development. Pakistan challenges India's eligibility for the UNSC membership. Pakistan has challenged India's eligibility for the United Nations Security Council's permanent and non-permanent membership. Islamabad's permanent representative to the United Nations Munir Akram said New Delhi was in blatant violation of the 15-member Security Council's resolutions aimed at settling the decades-old Kashmir dispute. India has been a member of the UNSC for 7 terms, with each term running for 2 years. Akram added that India has placed a draconian lockdown in the occupied valley for over 100 days and the right-wing BJP government is perpetrating human rights violations. Tensions have been high in Indian-occupied Kashmir, IOK, since August 5 when New Delhi moved to bring the region under direct rule, cut telecommunications and detained thousands of Kashmiris including political leaders.